Click on the link below to get price. The Honda EG2800IAG is a standout choice for anyone seeking a compact and efficient inverter generator. Weighing just around 60 pounds, its lightweight open frame design makes it incredibly portable, allowing users to easily transport it for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency power needs. The build quality is impressive, as one would expect from Honda, featuring a robust structure that is both durable and reliable. With a power output of 2,800 watts, this generator is capable of handling sensitive electronics thanks to its inverter technology. It provides clean and stable power, making it ideal for running laptops, smartphones, and other delicate devices without the risk of damaging them. The 120V output is versatile, allowing users to power a range of appliances and tools when on the go. One of the standout features of the EG2800IAG is the MINDER technology, which continuously monitors carbon monoxide levels and shuts down the generator if unsafe levels are detected. This safety feature adds peace of mind, especially in enclosed spaces or when used in proximity to living areas. The generator operates quietly, producing a mere 58 dBA at rated load, making it suitable for residential environments and outdoor activities where noise control is essential. The fuel efficiency of the EG2800IAG is commendable. It runs for up to 7 hours on a single tank of gasoline at a 25% load. This means less frequent refueling, which is a major advantage during extended usage. The easy-to-use control panel features multiple outlets for convenience, and the recoil start system is straightforward, allowing for quick startup. Overall, the Honda EG2800IAG is a well-rounded inverter generator that combines portability, power, and advanced safety features. Whether you need it for recreational use or as a backup power source, it delivers excellent performance without sacrificing convenience or safety. This generator is an investment worth considering for anyone in need of reliable portable power.